Hello, my dear students and my dear friends. How are you all? I hope so that you all are good. As you know that I am Puneet Dutt and my channel is basically based on posting of motivational videos and as well as posting of videos on some important topics and facts in relation with history, civics of India and of the world. Dear students and dear friends, thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much all my subscribers. Thank you so much all my well-wishers that you all are giving me full support. Stay blessed everyone. Dear students and dear friends, today I am here to explain federal setup in India or federal system in India. In this video, I'll try my best to make things easier for you. Let's start our work. Federal setup in India or federal system in India means distribution of legislative, administrative and executive powers between the center and state government. Got it everyone? In other words, we can say that federal setup or federal system in India refers to the relation between center and state government. Got it? However, both the center and the state government are supreme with their respective spheres according to the Constitution of India, and both center and state government draw their authority from the same constitution, that is the Constitution of India. Got it? It tells us about the supremacy of the Constitution of India. Yes. Now, one more important point with regard to the federal setup. The Constitution of India has made provisions for the distribution of revenue between the center and the state government. Yes, our Constitution, the Constitution of India has made provision for it. And another important point, if there is a dispute between the center and the state government, then the Supreme Court of India, yes, the Supreme Court of India is the final interpreter and the guardian of the Constitution. It means that only the Supreme Court of India can settle the disputes between the center and the state government. Only the Supreme Court of India. I think so you all have understood it. Now, another important point I want to tell you with regard to the federal setup or federal system in India. During emergency, yes, country has to forego its federal spirit. Yes, the federal provision of the Constitution remain suspended to some extent. If we talk about general emergency, during general emergency, states are obliged to follow or to carry out instructions given by the center. Yes. If we talk about financial emergency, during financial emergency, the union government may give directions to states to observe certain financial rules. Yes. And if we talk about during emergency, due to the failure of constitutional machinery in our state, the administration of the of that state, the administration of that state directly placed under the president, that is the union government only. I think so you all have got it. I think so you all have understood all these points regarding the federal setup in India, federal system in India. I have tried my best to make things easier for you. Definitely I'll come back again with more videos, with more information for you all. As you know that my aim is to do something good for you all. My aim is to do something good for the society. God bless you all. Stay blessed everyone. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.